Deb Mahaffey, and I'm a divorce attorney in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about a bifurcated divorce. Some people have heard that term and asked me what it means. I thought today would be a good opportunity to talk a little bit about what bifurcated divorce means. In a bifurcated divorce, the court will enter a divorce decree in that certain situation before resolving the economic claims. So in a case that has gone on for a really long time, say there was a divorce complaint filed 5-10 years ago, but there are economic claims to resolve, a party may ask a court to enter a divorce decree before finalizing all the economic claims. And there's several reasons why someone might want that done. For example, if you have met someone else and you want to move on in your life, you certainly may want to get remarried. And so that would be a reason to get a divorce decree entered sooner than later. There's some tax advantages as well to getting your divorce decree entered sooner than later. And there's some finality essentially attached to that concept as well. One of the disadvantages of a bifurcated divorce would be that if one of the parties doesn't have control over the financial assets in the case, they might be opposed to getting this divorce done sooner than later because they won't have access to money. So if the husband has control over a lot of the financial assets and he wants to get the divorce done sooner than later, it could hurt a spouse who is relying on that money or doesn't have any control over that money. Additionally, if a divorce decree is entered, then spousal support and APL, which is alimony pendente lite, would stop because those entitlements stop when a divorce decree is entered. So a bifurcated divorce is a very complicated concept. It's something that you really need to spend time talking with your attorney about to determine whether or not it's a good concept for you. And if your spouse wants it and you're opposed to it, you need to talk to your attorney to find out whether or not it's a good idea to do it and what steps could be taken to try to stop it. If the parties consent to a bifurcated divorce, that's fine, that's allowed under the divorce code. But if one party wants it and the other doesn't, there must be a petition filed and a hearing would have to be held by the court. And there's very specific findings that a court would have to make before they could enter a decree in divorce in a bifurcated divorce situation. So again, if you have questions about a bifurcated divorce, you should contact me at 717-774-1357 or go out to our website at www.heinemlaw.com.